Hi everyone, in this video we will take a look at Alcon paintball package. This is a complete package, comes with all every fittings, hoses, compressor and tanks, and as well as a fill station. And this would be a right size package for a paintball field or an airsoft arena using a high pressure air. So we have one compressor here, a 3.7 Alcon vertical air compressor. This is it comes all ready to start. All you have to do, connect the power and push on start button right here. And also this compressor is full automatic, so it does the automatic start, automatic shut off, automatic condensate drain. So when these storage tanks are full with 4500 psi, compressor automatically shuts off. And when the tank pressure starts going lower, 10%, which is around 4100 psi, it automatically restarts and top the pressure up to 45. And we got two 50-liter size 4500 psi cylinders here. These are ISO UN cylinders. So the fill station we have here is a two-man fill station, and it has a built-in regulator inside. And we have different fill stations too. So fill station is, type of the fill station is kind of optional for your needs. On this one we are showing that two-man fill station. One side is 4500 psi and other side is 3000 psi. So this 3000 psi using the regulator, built-in regulator. So if you are filling for the rental guns or just solely for airsoft, this 3000 psi what you need. But some fields they do rentals and also 4500 psi fields, so they can use left side for the 4500 psi fields. So how do we connect the pieces together? It's very easy. I'm gonna quickly show you. And first we have one of the hoses, 5-foot hose. So this is gonna connect between compressor's output to the first tank. But let's do the tank valves first. So these are the tank valves. So these are going to be connect to the tanks. The first one. Once you after you hand tight it using a pipe wrench, you can make sure that it's really tight, you know, and do the second one. So the package comes with the smaller hose, which we call it pigtail. The pigtail is the connection between the two tanks. Don't forget to tighten up the connections to avoid any leaks. So the second hose that we're going to be using is the one from compressor to tanks. So I'm using a 5-foot hose for this one. It connects to the compressor's output. And input of the tanks. And I have another long hose. This is a 10-foot hose, because this fill station can be mounted on a table or on a wall. If you are using a fill station in a remote area, you can request for the longer size hose. It could be 50 feet, 100 feet, however you like. That way you can keep if you are keeping the compressor and tanks in the back, you want to bring the fill station to the storefront, you have enough length of hose. So this hose is going to be connected to the output of the tanks. And on the left side it says in. This is the air in. This is where you are connecting your air fill station. And you got also two fill hoses for the fill station. And there's one more. And these fill hoses, they come with quick connect valves. So these are original Foster quick connects. That's basically well made in USA. It's gonna last for a long time. And once you connect everything together, you are ready to fill. So my recommendation is keeping the tank valves closed and start the compressor and just fill the lines. And once you fill the lines, now you can detect for leaks. Basically, you can touch or using a soap water, touch all the connections to see if you feel any leaks. Make sure that you take care of the leaks. Once you make sure there's no leaks in the connections, you can start the compressor. You can turn the tank valve on and compressor will restart automatically, and it's gonna run for a couple hours. It could be like 2-3 hours first fill, and it's gonna fill these tanks to 4,500 psi. Then every time that tank pressure goes below 4,100 psi, compressor will automatically restart and it'll do the job itself. You don't have to monitor the compressor during the day and start and stop. Just make sure that at the end of the day, your compressor has a manual drain valve on the purifier. Open this for a couple seconds. Get rid of the moisture accumulated in the filter. Just turn it open for a couple seconds and tightly close again. This is all you have to do. At the end of the day, you can turn the compressor off. And the next day you come, just push on start button again. That's all. Thank you.